Now, the Supreme Court adjourned hearing on a writ petition challenging Subrata Roy's detention. Earlier, Sahara lawyers had said that Subrata Roy's custody is illegal since no charges have been framed against him. Meanwhile, the court has also rejected Sahara's plea for an intervention by the Chief Justice, referring the matter to the same bench hearing the SEBI Sahara case.
We have challenged the order of the Supreme Court insofar as it illegally confines Mr. Subrata Roy Sahara in custody, and that is in terms of the judgment of Antule, which we have pleaded and said that a writ of habeas corpus be issued and he should be released from jail immediately. As he is neither a party nor any charges have been framed against him, nor has he been told what is his offence, and yet without authority of law he has been detained in judicial custody, which is totally contrary to the procedure prescribed under law, especially under the CPC, which prescribes that he should be put in a civil prison.
Mrinalini Krishna, who is tracking the story, joins us with more details. Mrinalini, tell us what you're picking up.
An extremely interesting day here at Supreme Court with lots of twists and turns in the SEBI Sahara matter. The day began with Sahara leaving no stone unturned, filing a habeas corpus writ petition before a Chief Justice of India bench seeking and challenging an alleged illegal detention of Sahara Chief Subrata Roy. That is, in fact, challenging the order of the original two-judge Supreme Court bench comprising of Justice Keher as well as Justice Radhakrishnan. Now, the writ petition did say that he is being illegally detained and it sought an early release for Subrata Roy, but the twist came in when the registry of the court transferred that writ petition back to the original bench and said that the matter was being heard by that bench and this should be considered by that bench as well. In fact, the counsel for Sahara, Ram Jethmalani, did say that there may be a sense of embarrassment for the original bench to hear this writ petition that is challenging their own order, and in fact he also said that he feels a deep sense of embarrassment in bringing up this matter before the original bench, but the original bench, Justice Keher, did observe that they haven't gone through the petition just yet and they will look into it and see if there is anything that is embarrassing for the court or not. But Sahara lawyers do maintain that it is illegal detention as far as Subrata Roy is concerned, because a contempt of court action can be taken against directors and officers of default, and Subrata Roy is none of those. He is in fact the chairman of the group, and also the fact that there is no authority under law in which that he's been detained. So as of now, they're not looking at any repayment plan, but fighting out this habeas corpus writ petition, which the Supreme Court bench will hear tomorrow at 2 p.m.